So the good news we have to report is on the stock market. The first quarter S&P 500, that's the 500 largest stocks or largest companies on the New York Stock Exchange. Most of them have been reported for the first quarter of 2023 and mostly beat analysts' expectations and beat them a lot.
Yeah, so as of, it would have been Friday because the reports I have on these are weekly. So as of last Friday, about 92% of the companies on the S&P 500 had reported their earnings so far, and almost 80% of those companies that had reported earnings above expectations. And on average, they were 6.5% above what was expected, which is a lot. Both of those numbers, the 80% of companies reporting that they did better than expected, and that amount of that it was higher than what was expected, that 6.5%, both of those are better than the averages for the last 5 and 10 years. So that's good news. And right now, overall, the earnings that have been reported on the S&P 500 came in actually at a little bit less, almost a 0.5% decline for the quarter from this time last year. And by the time the rest of these companies report their earnings, maybe even by the end of this week, that could possibly go positive, because we've had some companies come out. Even Walmart came out today and had really good earnings, and so that could change by the end of this week. Analysts had actually estimated that there would be a decline this quarter of 6 or 7%. So what ended up coming out was way better than what was expected.